Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing America's best value in Kinder. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. A cable TV is provided in all rooms at America's best value in Kinder. All rooms have free Wi-Fi and tea and coffee making facilities. Guests at America's best value in Kinder can access laundry facilities. This hotel also offers 24-hour reception. Eunice and Jennings Airports are both within 45 minutes drive from this hotel. Koasati Pines Golf Club is just 6 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.